Hi, I want to show you basic of Excel that you must know. Okay, firstly, if you have expenditure, for example, in my Excel, I want to change the 100 to Ringgit Malaysia. So what I want to do is I just drag the cell that I want to change it, and I just right click and go to format cells, click it and go to currency and change it to RM. You can choose from here RM and click OK. And you can see in format cells have number general for general number currency for accounting or date time. You can choose from here and choose the best that you want for your preference. Okay, now if you have the value, we must want the total number. What you can do, just go to auto sum and enter, and you can get the value. Or you also can put formula equal sum and drag the value that you want and put close bracket and enter. Same answer. Okay, and then I want to show you how to insert column. Just right click and insert. Or you want to deal or hide the columns, you also can hide it, but you don't want to delete, you just want to hide it from other people can see it. You just right click also and hide, and you will hide. And you also can clear contents. You just need to drag and delete so on. If the value is many, just right click and clear contents. I think that's all for today.